How to ask a question on Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can ask a question on Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. We can use the ask feature to add or ask a question on Tumblr, and here's how you can do it. First of all, head towards tumblr.com and make sure to log in into your account. Now you have to visit the blog of the person where you want to ask a question. For example, I have this blog right here. And if this blog owner has enabled the ask feature, you will see an ask me anything or similar option on their profile, as you can see right here. Now you have to click on this ask button. Now a text box will appear where you can type your question right here. If the user have allowed the anonymous ask, you can send the question without revealing your identity. For that, you have to turn on this toggle. And once you're done typing in your question right here, all you have to do is click on ask to post the question. And this is the way to ask a question on Tumblr. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.